नॉर्थ त्रिपुरा दमसरा के सामने एक छोटा सा कैंप है और हमसापारा के नाम से जाना जाता है। हमसापारा में रेशन बंद किया गया 1 महीना हो चुका है। सुनने में यह भी आ रहा है कि एक 8 महीना प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन भूखे के कारण से इस दुनिया को अलविदा कह चुका है और माँ की पेट में एक 8 महीना बच्चा जो अभी तक इस दुनिया को नहीं देखा वो भी माँ के साथ अलविदा कह चुका है। हमसापारा में रेशन क्यों बंद किया गया है और हमसापारा में क्या परिस्थितियाँ है और क्या समस्या है, ये सब जानने के लिए जुड़ते रहिए हमारे साथ। तब तक के लिए जय हिंद जय भारत।
जोतोनो दफानि सामु तांगमी ये बात से तांगने रो politically socially सामु तांगले पाए तो हेम्बा आरोनिम सियोग फोए तो मकौतमा खुसायो यांगे तो मकौतमा जायखियो यामोनि कौतमा कासायो फायहा स्माई टीवी नि कौतमा थमने रोने दियो जोतोनो दफा निकौनो सालायो दफानि सामु तांगमी ये तांगलेयो हेम्बा हमसापारा ओके तालहाथो या रोम ये रेशन रियो या ओंगे माचे या मानु या खौक्चै खौकपि पाए तोहा आबुदु तुये बांगमाम थोरो तोंफो थांगे नाइमेमो नुयो याखो जाय खेमेमो नुयो याखो आरे हिंफिफो खुरसा थाय क्लाइमोखे बदे सामंग तांगे सामंग चाचे तुय ओंखे सामंग चाचे फाइफो ओखे आं सेखेओ चों सेखेओ हिनाइले गोबां मानु या थांगो हेम्बा सामंग नस्रो सावथाये सामंग तांनाय नया हेम्बा आरे अंफो बदे खौक्चै तोमोनो नाइये तोंबाया ये मखा जमसिमाया ये प्रेस मीट खेलाये सायकनारि हा लंकाई रीजन नि यांग ब्रू एसोसिएशन राव
President of Young Brew Association, Longkai Regional Committee. I am here in this press meet to brief about brew resettlement issue glooming around under Panishagar subdivision. After thorough visit to the brew resettlement locations of both Kaskau and Weinbok Chera and having discussion with the families who are consigned to settle in the said locations, the Young Brew Association Longkai Regional Committee held a meeting to discuss the brew resettlement issues on date 30 October 2021. In the meeting, it has been noticed that many families are not having plots even though first installment for housing assistance have been paid to the families who are consigned to the said locations. Many families are having issues on the given plots which are not suitable for building construction as it is steep, longer trenches, loose soil near the rivulet behind someone's plot, which are very risky for natural calamity. It is also learned that Gulf of Tripura administration level is forcing, compelling, and external forces are being deployed against the families who rejected the given plot and denied for houses construction due to above stated nature of land to compel them to construct their respective houses. Now, the Gulf terminated their lifeline for the families by stopping all the relief assistances. These kinds of measures taken by Gulf against the marginalized group of people is unconditional and is considered an attempt of genocide which could not be merely tolerated by the Young Brew Association Longkai Regional Committee. Therefore, we have the following charters of demand. Number 1. The Gulf of Tripura must not have any attempt to suppress the brew IDPs but must take care of them with tender care. Number 2. The Gulf of Tripura must extend the resettlement locations of both Kaskau and Weinbok Chora to accommodate all the families